Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Parmeet Kaur, HOD CSC, RPIIT Campus, Karnal. Today we are going to discuss number system. Number system is the system of naming or representing numbers. There are various types of number systems in maths like binary number, decimal number, octal number, hexadecimal number, and many more. In this lecture, we are going to cover the concept of number system with their types. So, what basically a number is? Number is a mathematical value used for counting or measuring objects. Numbers are used to perform arithmetical calculations. For example, numbers are natural numbers, whole numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and many more. Number system can be binary, decimal, octal, and hexadecimal. We are going to create a table of all these four number systems. So, here we have decimal numbers, binary numbers, octal number, and hexadecimal number. All this begin with 0. How they implemented we are going to discuss. Decimal numbers are basic numbers which we use in daily routine life, like start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and goes on. Binary number is a 4-bit code. 4-bit code means here we have 4 bits. Binary bits can be either 0 or 1. We will discuss it later on. Here we have 4 bits. In octal we use 3-bit code, and in hexa after 9 we calculate 10 as A, 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E and 15 as F. So in decimal, if the code is 0, the code will be 0000. Why? Because here we use 4-bit code. Now what is 4-bit code? We'll discuss it. Here we use 4-bit code. 0 is converted into 0000. If you want to write 1, the 1 will convert it into 0001. If you want to write 2, the 2 will convert it into 0010. And for 3 we write 0011. Why so? Why we use 4-bit code in binary? And what basically binary code is? Binary language only understand 0 or 1. Either the bit will be off or the bit will be on, right? So whatever we write here, 11, 12, 14, 15, any digit, that digit will be write in the form of 0 and 1. And similarly, the computer system also understands the binary language. Whatever you write in computer system, like you write hello in computer system, that hello will be converted into 0 and 1s. That 0 and 1s will be processed in computer system, and similarly they process the output in the form of hello on screen that you will see. But in backend the processing will be in the form of 0 and 1s. That is in binary language only. In binary language we use 4-bit code. The processing will be done in the form of 4-bit code. Now how we can understand this code? How we can know 1 will be 0001, 2 will be 0010, 3 will be 0011. It is very complicated to understand and to learn. So for this we use a simple code to learn, that is 8421. The code is 8421. Later on we'll do all the conversions in detail, but this is kind of a shortcut to learn easily binary code. So here is 8421, that is 1, the double of 1 is 2, the double of 2 is 4, the double of 4 is 8, and so on. You can perform so on. Double of 8 is 16, 32, 64, 128 and so on. But basically we use only 4-bit code in binary number, so we use here only 4 bits. 8421. Now here if we want to write 0, listen carefully everyone. If you want to write 0 in binary code, how it will be implemented? Here we have 8, 4, 2, 1. We don't have 0 here, so all the bits will be off. 0, 0, 0, 0. That means all the bits will be off. If you want to write 1 in binary, so we'll check the code. 8 will be off, 4 will be off, 2 will be off, and 1 will be on. If you want to write 2, so for 2 we'll see 8 will be off, 4 will be off, 2 will be on, and 1 will be off. If you want to write 3, similarly, here we don't have 3, but for this we need to calculate. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 8 off, 4 be off, 2 is 1, and 1 is 1. So 2 is on and 1 is on. So code of 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. For 4, here we use 0, 4 is on, other all will be off. For 5, again we calculate 4 plus 1, that is 5. 4 plus 1 will be on, 4 and 1 will be on, and other all will be off. 8 is off, 4 is on, 2 is off, 1 is on. The code will be 0, 1, 0, 1. So you can see in binary 0 will be 0, 1 will be 0, 0, 0, 1, that we have written in this 0, 0, 0, 1, and 2 will be 0, 0, 1, 0. So 0, 0, 1, 0. 3 will be 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. 4 will be 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0. 5 will be 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. In the form of this, you can write the complete table of binary by using this simple code. This is easy to remember. The code is 1. Double of 1 is 2. Double of 2 is 4. Double of 4 is 8. So it is very simple to understand and easy to remember. So for this, by using this code, you can implement your complete table till 15. And in octal we use 3 bits. By using 3 bits, it will be completed on 7. And after 7 we again use 3 bits. That means that will be starting from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. In hexa we use code till 9. Till 9 we use the same code, but after 9, when we have 2 digits, we will calculate it as A. 10 will be A, 11 will be B, 12 will be C, 13 will be D, 14 will be E, and 15 will be F in hexadecimal. Okay, thank you everyone. In next lecture we will discuss the convergence of number system. Thank you.